Who's that from? Is that from a great grandma? You want to open it? Right there? Okay. I think you need scissors. Should Mommy get scissors? Alright, cool it down. Cool it down. Do you want to open it? Can you hand it to me? And I'll open it for you.
I do.
No, these are Mommy's scissors. No, they're Mommy's. They're Mommy's scissors. Don't do that. That's gross. Open the package and I'll open it. Go on the floor. Go on the floor. I can't record you over here. I don't think we should open this present. You're not being very nice.
Nice.
You're nice? Are you nice?
I'm nice.
Okay. Okay. What's in there? I think it's going to be closed, so let's look at them. Wow, look at that. It's pretty. Open it up. What's on there? What's that picture of? A dog. Look, it's got googly eyes. Cool. Do his eyes move? Ooh, pink. That's pretty. Ooh, another pink one. Cool. Oh, that's like a coral color. Alright, put them down over here so we can look at them. That's nice. Ooh, what are these? Shorts? What color are these?
Blue.
Blue, right. And these are white and pink. Ooh, this is a pretty shirt. What's on this? What is that? Heart. Ooh, yeah, a fish. Is it sparkly? Oh, there's some pink shorts. Purple shorts? Holy moly. It's empty and to right. We got a lot of clothes. Do you like them? Do you like your clothes? Can you say thank you? Where are you going? Can you do a dance? No? Can you stick out your tongue? Can you make a funny face? Say thank you. All right.